Hello, friends. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, literally. We're talking about the foods you can eat every day to protect your heart and slash your risk of a heart attack. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death, but the good news is there's so much we can do to prevent it. One of the most powerful tools we have is right in our kitchens. Food. That's right. The foods you choose to put on your plate every day can either nourish your heart or put it at risk. So grab a comfy seat and let's get started on this journey to better heart health together. It's time to unlock the power of food for a healthier, happier you. Let's kick things off with a breakfast staple that deserves a standing ovation: oats. You know those warm, comforting bowls of oatmeal you enjoy on chilly mornings? They're not just delicious, they're heart health heroes. What makes oats so special? Well, they're bursting with fibre, a type of carbohydrate that your body loves, especially your heart. Think of fibre as a friendly scrub brush for your arteries, gently removing cholesterol build-up and keeping things flowing smoothly. And when your arteries are happy, your heart is happy. It's like giving your heart a warm hug every morning just by starting your day with a bowl of oats. So ditch the sugary cereals and embrace the power of oats. Your heart will thank you for it. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I can't eat oatmeal every single day. And you know what? You don't have to. Oats are incredibly versatile. You can add them to smoothies for a boost of fibre, bake them into cookies for a heart-healthy treat, or even use them as a base for savoury dishes. Get creative in the kitchen and find ways to incorporate oats into your diet throughout the day. Your heart will thank you for thinking outside the breakfast bowl. Remember, every little step you take towards a heart-healthy lifestyle makes a difference. So let's make oats our allies in the fight for a stronger heart. Next up, we're diving into the world of omega-3 fatty acids with a delicious and versatile fish salmon. Now, I know some of you might be thinking fish for breakfast, but trust me on this one. Salmon is a nutritional powerhouse when it comes to heart health. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which act like powerful anti-inflammatories in your body. Inflammation is a sneaky culprit behind many health problems, including heart disease. These omega-3s also work wonders in reducing your triglyceride levels, a type of fat found in your blood that, when elevated, can increase your risk of heart problems. Think of salmon as a guardian angel for your heart, keeping it strong and protected. So how can you enjoy this heart-healthy superstar? I'm glad you asked. Salmon is incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your meals. Try grilling it with a squeeze of lemon and some herbs for a light and flavorful dinner, or flake it over salads for a boost of protein and omega-3s. You can even add it to pasta dishes or wraps for a satisfying and heart-healthy meal. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon per week to reap its amazing heart-protective benefits. It's a simple change that can make a world of difference for your heart health. Remember, taking care of your heart is an investment in your future. And salmon is one delicious way to do just that. Now, let's talk about berries, those little jewels of nature. They're not just bursting with flavor, they're bursting with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight free radicals in your body. You see, free radicals are like little troublemakers that can damage your cells and increase your risk of heart disease. But antioxidants are like the superheroes that come in and neutralize them. And the great thing about berries is that they're so easy to incorporate into your diet. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, or even dried. Add them to your yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies. So make berries your go-to snack. And feel good knowing that you're giving your heart a powerful dose of protection with every bite. Now you might be wondering, which berries are the best? Well, the good news is that all berries are beneficial for your heart. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, which have been linked to lower blood pressure. Strawberries are a good source of vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant. And raspberries are rich in fibre, which helps lower cholesterol levels. The key is to enjoy a variety of berries to get the full range of nutrients. So mix it up. Have some blueberries with your breakfast, a handful of strawberries as a snack, and add some raspberries to your evening yogurt. Remember, a heart-healthy diet is all about balance and variety, and berries are a delicious and convenient way to show your heart some love. Let's talk about nuts, those crunchy, satisfying snacks that are good for your heart. Now, I know some people shy away from nuts because they're high in fat. But here's the thing, it's all about the type of fat. Nuts are packed with unsaturated fats, the good kind of fat that can actually help lower your cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. Think of almonds, walnuts, pistachios and pecans as your heart's best friends. They're also a good source of fibre, which helps you feel full and satisfied and can even contribute to healthy digestion. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for a handful of nuts. Just remember, a little goes a long way. A serving size is about a small handful. Now, I know what you're thinking. With so many different types of nuts, which one should you choose? Well, the good news is that they all offer unique benefits for your heart. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. And pistachios are a good source of potassium, which can help lower blood pressure. The key is to find the nuts you enjoy the most and incorporate them into your diet regularly. You can add them to your yogurt, oatmeal or salads. You can even enjoy them on their own as a satisfying snack. So go nuts for nuts and give your heart a healthy boost with every crunchy bite. Now let's talk about leafy greens. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that are essential for a healthy heart. Think of spinach, kale, collard greens and Swiss chard as your heart's best friends. They're low in calories and fat and high in fibre, which is important for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. But that's not all. Leafy greens are also an excellent source of folate, a B vitamin that helps lower levels of homocysteine in the blood. High homocysteine levels are associated with an increased risk of heart disease, so keeping them in check is crucial. So, how can you incorporate more leafy greens into your diet? It's easier than you think. The beauty of leafy greens is their versatility. You can enjoy them in so many different ways. Salads are a classic, of course, but don't stop there. Try adding a handful of spinach to your smoothies. You won't even taste it, but you'll get all the nutritional benefits. Sauté some kale with garlic and olive oil for a delicious and healthy side dish. Or how about adding some collard greens to your soups or stews? They add a wonderful flavour and texture, and they're packed with nutrients. Remember, a heart-healthy diet doesn't have to be boring. Get creative with your greens and your heart will thank you for it. Now, let's talk about a staple of the Mediterranean diet, a region known for its incredible longevity and heart health. I'm talking about olive oil, folks, that liquid gold that's been treasured for centuries. You see, olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats, those heart-healthy fats that can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Think of it this way. When you choose olive oil, you're choosing a fat that actually works with your body to keep your arteries clear and your blood flowing smoothly. It's like giving your heart a warm, soothing hug from the inside out. And the best part, it's so easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Drizzle it over your salads, use it to sauté your veggies, or even dip some crusty bread in it. Every time you use olive oil, you're making a conscious choice to nourish your heart and embrace a healthier lifestyle. It's these small, consistent changes that can lead to big results in the long run. Now, when it comes to olive oil, not all varieties are created equal. You want to look for extra virgin olive oil, which is the least processed and retains the highest levels of those heart-healthy antioxidants. Think of it as the purest form of this liquid gold, bursting with flavour and goodness. Check the label and make sure it says extra virgin to reap the full benefits. And here's a little tip: store your olive oil in a cool, dark place to preserve its quality and freshness. Remember, we want to keep those beneficial compounds intact and ready to nourish our bodies. So embrace the power of olive oil, my friends. Let it become a staple in your kitchen and a symbol of your commitment to a heart-healthy lifestyle. Your heart will thank you for it. Now, who's ready for some good news? You don't have to give up all your indulgences to have a healthy heart. In fact, a little bit of dark chocolate can actually be good for you. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate, my friends, is rich in flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that can work wonders for your heart health. These flavonoids help improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and even boost your mood. Now, when I say dark chocolate, I'm talking about the kind that has at least 70% cocoa content. That's where you'll find the highest concentration of those beneficial flavonoids. Think of it as choosing quality over quantity. Just a small square or two a day can satisfy your sweet tooth while providing your heart with some extra love. It's all about balance and making mindful choices that nourish your body and soul. Now, I know what you might be thinking: can I eat chocolate every day? Well, moderation is key, my friends. While dark chocolate offers benefits, it's still important to enjoy it as part of a balanced diet. Think of it as a special treat, something to savor and enjoy mindfully. Pair it with some fresh berries or a handful of nuts for an extra dose of antioxidants and healthy fats. And remember, listening to your body is crucial. Pay attention to how you feel after indulging in a little dark chocolate. If you experience any digestive discomfort or other negative reactions, it's best to adjust your intake accordingly. So go ahead and indulge in a little bit of dark chocolate guilt-free. It's a delicious way to show your heart some love while satisfying your sweet cravings. It's all about finding those little joys in life that also contribute to our well-being. And there you have it, friends. 7 heart-protecting foods that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your health and happiness. Start by adding 1 or 2 of these foods to your diet this week and gradually incorporate the rest. It's not about overhauling your entire lifestyle overnight. It's about making sustainable changes that you can stick with for the long haul. I'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences, so please share them in the comments below. Tell me, what's your favorite way to enjoy these heart-healthy foods? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living your best life at any age. Here's to living your best life at any age. Take care and see you next time.